Hi guys, my name's Dylan and today I'll be showing you around our beautiful M2 Competition. So this example is finished in Hockenheim Silver, has to be one of the best colours available. And it also has the big brake kit you can see from the silver calipers there. It's an awesome upgrade. So most will have multiple packs, obviously including the adaptive LEDs with the plus and comfort packs. But the brakes are quite a rare option, and so is the sunroof. And there's no need to go crazy because the M2 Comp doesn't have a carbon roof as standard. So all the vehicles are checked with a paint depth gauge, and you can see we've still got the protection on the rear arch here as well. And checking it with the gauge just ensures there's been no poor repairs on the vehicle. So wheels in incredible condition, and again the silver calipers at the rear, just a nice little touch. So previously on the M4s with the ceramics you'd have the gold calipers. So it seems a bit different, it's quite nice. Walk around the rear here as well, so not modified this one, completely standard with a full service history. Most recently been to Tom Wrigley Performance, so he's well known for the M cars. Let's get this opened up. We can look at some paperwork in the boot here. Just laid it out. So we've got some service history from BMW. The most recent is from Tom Wrigley, so he's done a report on that as well, including the spark plug, so major service done. Sold last year, approved used. More services here. And then our health report, we've got 20% wear on the front, 20% wear on the back, on the brakes, and then tread depths all looking good there as well. So real clean example, really high spec, in one of the best colours. And we give really strong part exchange prices as well. So we'll just take a quick look inside. You see the Harman Kardon sound system there, and the blue stitching throughout. Minimal wear on this vehicle. We've got the carbon trim. It's a dry carbon on this one compared to the M3s and 4s. Again, super clean bodywork there, no marks on the alloys. Incredible condition. So the adaptive LEDs are a must-have for me on the M2 Comp. Just makes it look a lot more modern and should help with its residual value as well. So we'll go inside. We've got the memory seats down here. Again, limited wear on the seat. Incredible condition throughout. We'll just start this up, running nicely. So we have had it started for a few minutes beforehand, just so I could give it a little rev for you. See what that sounds like now. Quite tame on the soft limiter. And then we'll take a quick look in the engine bay now as well. You can see you've got the auto high beam down there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Obviously the heated seats. Adjust the gearbox settings there, steering and the throttle response, and obviously the M1 and M2, so you can set up your own modes individually how you would like them. So obviously being the Comp, we've got the beautiful carbon strut through here, much better engine bay than the standard M2, sorry. Okay, so if there's any questions or queries or you need a part exchange valuation, then please do get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you.